Most creators do not have a content problem. They have a data problem. They upload videos, wait for views, check YouTube Studio again and again, and then guess what went wrong. Was the title weak? Was the thumbnail not attractive? Was the video too long? Was the topic not interesting? Or did people click but leave too early? The truth is that your YouTube channel is already giving you the answer. The problem is that most creators do not know how to read the answer. In this video, I will show you how any YouTubers, either is a beginner or an experienced creator, can download their own YouTube analytic data and use Excel Copilot to understand what is working, what is not working, and what type of content they should create next. You do not need to be a data analyst. You do not need an advanced Excel formula. You do not need complicated software. You only need your YouTube analytics file, Microsoft Excel, and few simple Copilot prompts. If you have already watched my previous video on basic Excel, Excel productivity, or AI tool, then this video will connect everything together. Those videos help you understand the foundation, and today we will use that foundation in a real practical example. After watching this video, you can also go back and watch those Excel and AI lessons to get even more value. Today, I will use analytics for my own YouTube channel as a real example. I will show you how to download the data, open it in Excel, prepare it like we learn in our basic Excel videos, and then ask Copilot simple question to create summaries, charts, tables, and recommendations. By the end of this video, you will know how to find your best videos, compare shorts and long videos, identify videos with weak click through rate, understand retention, and decide what content you should make next. Now, open YouTube Studio. First, go to YouTube Studio from the left side menu. Click on Analytics. Now, click the Advanced mode or C mode. This is where YouTube gives you deeper data about your channel and videos. Here, you can adjust the data range. For example, you can select the last 28 days, last 90 days, this year, which is last 365 days, or you can custom the date range. For this memo, I'm using my own exported YouTube analytic data. And for this demo, I will be selecting last 365 days for getting the analysis. Once you have done that, you need to download the data by clicking over here, and then it will take you to Google Sheet. From there, you can export it to either Excel or you can work it in the Google Sheet. The selections over here, which is matrix, this is very important because instead of looking at only one video at a time, we are downloading the data for many videos together. Now I will open the downloaded file in Excel. Before I start analyzing, I'll quickly check the column. In my file, I have video title, video type, published date and time, duration, state to watch percentage, then average view, comments, engage view, average views, subscriber, and so on. These are very powerful columns. Views tells us reach, watch time tells us depth, subscriber tells us trust, impression and click-through rate tells us how attractive the title and thumbnails are. Retention tells us whether people stay or left.
it's a time for us to go to Copilot to do a detailed analysis. As we learned in our basic Excel video, good analysis starts with clean data. Copilot works better when the data is arranged properly in row and column. I will click inside the data and press Ctrl plus T to convert this range into an Excel table. I will make sure the option My table has headers is selected. Now the data is structured and Excel can understand it better. This makes it easier when we ask Copilot a question. Now I will open Copilot in Excel from the icon situated in the right corner. The best part is that I do not need to write complex formula. I can ask a question in a normal English and Copilot gives me the answer. So let's start the fun and let's start writing the first prompt. With the Copilot panel open, I will write a prompt: analyze this this YouTube analytic table and summarize the overall channel performance. Show total videos, total views, total watch time, subscriber gain, average click-through rate, and overall engagement. Also explain whether the channel is performing well or need improvement. Now the Copilot will read the table and give us summary. Now Copilot has analyzed my data and has given me the performance summary. It shows here that I have 192 videos, 35,526 total views, 2,745.29 hours of watch time. I have gained 242 subscribers. I have lost 0 subscribers. And then it has given me the video breakdown, the short of 78 videos, long of 114 videos. And here it has done the performance analysis, the strength. Here it has given me an area for improvement. So here it has given me the overall assessment as well. So it's pretty good. I just downloaded data and then with the Copilot, I was able to get all this information. This first prompt is very useful because it gives a quick health check of the channel. Instead of manually adding views, watch time, subscribers, comments, and impression, Copilot summarizes everything in a few seconds. Now I want you to notice something important. This is not only about total views. A channel can have views but with weak subscribers. A channel can have impression but low click-through rate. A channel can have many videos but poor retention. This is why we need deeper analysis. So, if a creator only click views, they may make the wrong decision. But when they compare views, watch time, retention, and subscriber together, they get the real picture. This is exactly where Excel Copilot becomes valuable. Moving forward, we will ask Copilot to analyze and give us the top performing videos. So here we'll be writing the prompt: find top 10 videos by views, create a table with a video title, video type, views, watch time, subscriber gain, click through rate, comments, and shares. Then explain what common pattern these videos have. So, in my data, some of the top performing videos are related to Excel tutorial, AI prompts, UI topic, and quick practical tips. One strong example is my Excel tutorial for absolute beginners. Another strong area is AI related content such as AI programming, prompt and productivity tool. This is very important because Copilot is not only showing numbers, it is helping me find patterns. If the top videos are mostly Excel and AI, then I should not randomly create too many unrelated videos. If my audience is responding to Excel, Copilot, AI tool, productivity, and practical tutorial, then my future content should move more strongly in that direction. Now, let us ask an even better question to the Copilot. Now, let us ask Copilot to analyze our data and look for those videos that has high impression but low click-through rate. So here we'll be writing a prompt: find videos with impressions above 5000 but click-through rate below the channel average. Create a table with video titles, impressions, click-through rate, views and video type. Then suggest what I should improve, such as title, thumbnail, topic angle, or opening hook. This is one of my favorite prompts. Why? Because high impressions mean YouTube showed the video to people. Low click through rate means people saw the title and thumbnails but did not click enough. That usually means the problem is not only the topic, the problem may be packaging. Packaging means title, thumbnail, first promise, and curiosity. In my data, some videos received many impression but low click through rate. This tells me that YouTube tested them but the audience did not click strong enough. So, what should I improve? I should create clearer titles. I should make thumbnails easier to understand. I should show the benefit quickly. I should avoid vague title. I should make the viewers feel this video will solve their problems. For example, instead of a title like "What makes AI powerful for content creation," a stronger title could be "I used AI to create content faster and here is what had happened." This is how the data turns into action. We will ask Copilot again to look for videos with high retention but low views. So in the prompt I asked find short with stay to watch percentage above 50% but views below 200. This may be good idea but that need better packaging. Show title, views, stay to watch percentage, comments, shares and suggest how to remake them. This prompt helps us to find hidden opportunities. A video with low views is not always a bad video. Sometimes it has a strong retention but it did not get enough reach. In my data, some shorts have stayed to watch percentage above 50% but low views. This means people who watched them stayed but the video did not reach enough people. These videos are worth remaking. For example, if a short about AI tool or Excel tricks has a strong retention but low views, I can remake it with a stronger first 3 second, clearer caption, better title and more direct benefit. For short, the opening is everything. The first sentence should create curiosity immediately. The viewer should understand the value within the first 2 or 3 seconds. So, this prompt helps creators find video that deserve a second chance. Finally, we will ask to give us a final recommendation. So here I have asked, based on this YouTube analytic data, give me 30 days content strategy. Tell me what topic I should create more, what topics I should reduce, what video format I should focus on, and what changes I should make to improve views, retention, engagement, and subscribers. This prompt turns the analysis into a content plan. So, based on the analysis of my data, the key recommendation is clear. I should create more Excel, Copilot, AI tools, productivity, and practical tutorial content. These topics are aligned with what my audience is already responding to. I should use shorts for discovery and long video for trust. Shorts can bring new people to the channel. Long videos can explain topic deeply and convert viewers into subscribers. I should improve titles and thumbnails for videos with high impression but low click through rate. I should remake short that have high retention but low views. I should focus on stronger hooks in the first 3 seconds for short and the first 15 seconds for long videos. I should also ask viewers simple question at the end of the video to increase comments and engagement. The biggest lesson is this: do not create content only based on feelings. Use your data, ask better questions, and let Excel Copilot help you to find the answer. So, now you have seen the complete process. We downloaded YouTube Analytics, we opened the data in Excel, we convert it into a proper table, we use Copilot to summarize performance, compare shorts and long videos, find top videos, identify subscriber generating content, check weak click through rate, find high retention opportunities, create chart, and build content strategy. Some of the analysis that I mentioned above was not shown as a demo to keep the video shorter, but I promise you I will demonstrate that in any of my upcoming videos. This is the power of Excel and Copilot together. You do not need to be a professional analyst. You only need to ask the right question. If this video helped you, subscribe to my channel because I will be bringing more practical tutorials on Excel, Copilot, AI tools, productivity, and content creation. Also watch my previous Excel and AI videos because they will help you understand the basic skill behind this demonstration. Write in the comment Copilot Analytics if you want me to share more prompts for YouTube growth, Excel dashboard, and AI powered data analysis. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.